Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to implement increment and decrement functionality in Power Apps. That means increasing and decreasing a value by 1. First, insert a text label. From the Properties panel, change the color of the text label as needed. And one more thing, if you want to increase the text size, go to the Properties panel and increase the font size of the text label. So changes is visible here. Next, insert a button. Select the button, go to the onSelect property and remove the default one and add this. This create a local variable I and set its value to 1. Now insert two icon, an up arrow to increase the value and insert down arrow to decrease the value. Select the up arrow, go to the onSelect property, remove the existing one and add this one. This takes the current value of I and increase it by 1. Now copy this formula and select the down arrow and select the onSelect property and remove the default one. Paste it there and change plus to minus. This decrease the value of I by 1. Now select the text label, go to the text property and remove this text and enter I. This display the current value of I on the screen. Now view the app, click the button, you will see 1 in the label. Click the up arrow to increase the value and then click on down arrow to decrease it. So in this video, we learned how to create an increment decrement image slider in Power Apps. Thanks for watching.